In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to cut and sew this stylish alternate corset. So this corset pattern is from Fashionette Styles and Stitches. So if you're still having issues trying to cut out your basic corset pattern, you can go ahead to join us in our 5 days corset class, where I'll be teaching you how to draft 5 different types of corset. The class is just going for 5,000 naira, and for early birds who pay within the month of March will be getting it at price range of 3,500 naira only. The class starts from 4th of April to 8th of April. So without much wasting time, let's dive right into today's video. So I've already gone ahead to mark out my basic measurement for this pattern, which includes my shoulder to bust, under bust, waistline. So for my blouse length, I marked 5 inches after my waistline. Next, I'll mark my shoulder divided by 2, come down by 1 inch at this point. I'll go ahead and place my ruler and I'll connect it to the upper part. Next, I'll find my chest line, and to do that is your bust circumference divided by 6 plus 1.5 inches. Mine is 7. I made a mark at that point and I drew out a straight line. So whatever you have at the shoulder, go ahead to mark it back at the chest line. Now place your ruler and draw out a straight line. After you're done marking this, you're going to divide what you have into 2 and you mark. Come out by ½ inch at this point. Go ahead to mark your bust circumference divided by 4, and you're going to connect it to the midpoint of your armhole and go ahead to extend it all the way up. So the next step we're going to take is to mark our nipple to nipple divided by 2, which is your bust pan. I'm going to go ahead to mark this all the way to the lower part. My nipple to nipple point is 7 inches. Divided by 2, I have 3.5. Now I'm just going to go ahead to draw out a straight line all the way to the lower part of my pattern. After I'm done marking this, I'll proceed to marking my darts. I'll mark a basic dart intake of ½ inch on both sides of this pattern. So you can also decide to use your normal darts of 1 inch, but I'm using ½ inch here because at the upper part of this dress we are not going to cut open the dart and we are going to sew our dart. So this is to avoid having much dart intake at the bust area to contour that part. I'll go ahead to use my marker to outline. Next, you want to connect your cup this way, but come down by 1 inch first. Then I'll now go ahead to connect this at both sides of my pattern. After I'm done connecting this, the next step I'm going to take is to go ahead to start imputing my measurements. So I'm going to go ahead